Have you ever walked into your garden early in the morning, excited to see your peach tree growing beautifully, only to notice the leaves starting to curl, turn sticky, or look weak? At first glance, everything seems fine. The tree looks green, the branches look alive, and the tiny fruits might even be forming. But if you look a little closer, something strange appears. Tiny insects quietly sitting under the leaves, sucking the life out of your tree. These tiny creatures are called aphids, and despite their extremely small size, they're one of the most destructive pests for peach growers around the world. Many gardeners lose a large portion of their peach crop every year simply because they do not understand when aphids attack, why they attack, and where they hide. The surprising thing is that aphids rarely attack suddenly. They slowly build their population while staying hidden. And by the time most people notice them, the colony has already grown large. Leaves begin to curl, growth slows down, and sometimes the small fruits even start dropping. But here's the good news. Once you understand how aphids behave, controlling them becomes much easier. In fact, many farmers successfully protect their trees using simple natural sprays that can be prepared at home. And in today's video, we will explore everything you need to know about aphids on peaches: when they attack, why they attack, where they hide, how they damage the tree, and the most effective natural sprays to control them. If you grow peaches in your garden or farm, this knowledge can save your entire harvest. So let's begin. First, we need to understand when aphids attack peach trees, because timing is extremely important. Aphids usually start attacking peach trees in early spring, just when the tree begins producing new soft growth. During winter, many aphid eggs remain hidden on tree bark or nearby plants. These eggs survive the cold weather and wait patiently.
As soon as temperatures start rising and the tree begins producing fresh leaves and shoots, the eggs hatch. Tiny aphid babies immediately start feeding on the soft tissues of the new leaves. This is why the first aphid attacks usually appear during the early growing season, when peach trees start developing new shoots and leaves. The reason is simple. Aphids prefer soft plant tissue. Young leaves contain more sap and nutrients, and they are easier for aphids to pierce with their needle-like mouthparts. If you notice carefully, aphids almost always attack the newest growth on the tree. That means the tips of branches, the underside of fresh leaves, and sometimes even the flower buds. Because these areas are tender and full of nutrients, aphids gather there and begin feeding in large numbers. Now, the next important question is, why aphids attack peach trees? Aphids are not randomly choosing your tree. They are attracted by several factors. The first reason is excess nitrogen in the plant. When a tree receives too much nitrogen fertilizer, it produces very soft, fast-growing leaves. While this might look like healthy growth, it actually attracts aphids. Soft leaves contain higher sugar levels in their sap, which aphids love. This is why trees that receive heavy nitrogen fertilization often experience stronger aphid infestations. The second reason aphids attack is warm weather with moderate humidity. Aphids reproduce extremely fast in warm temperatures. In fact, a single female aphid can produce many babies without even mating. This means their population can explode very quickly. Within just a few weeks, a small group of aphids can turn into thousands.
The third reason is lack of natural predators. In nature, aphids are normally controlled by beneficial insects, but when these predators are absent, aphid populations grow out of control. One of the most famous aphid predators is the ladybug. Ladybugs love eating aphids and can consume dozens of them every day. Another helpful insect is the green lacewing, whose larvae are extremely effective aphid hunters. If these beneficial insects are present in your garden, they can reduce aphid numbers naturally. But if pesticide sprays have killed these predators, aphids often return stronger than before. Now let's talk about how aphids actually damage peach trees. Aphids feed by inserting their thin mouthparts into plant tissue and sucking the sap from inside. This sap contains essential nutrients that the plant needs for growth. When large numbers of aphids feed continuously, the tree begins losing energy. One of the first visible symptoms is leaf curling. The leaves start twisting and folding because aphids disturb the natural growth of plant cells. Inside those curled leaves, aphids hide safely where predators and sprays cannot easily reach them. Another major problem caused by aphids is the production of a sticky substance called honeydew. While feeding, aphids release excess sugars from the sap, which fall onto leaves and branches. This sticky liquid attracts dust and fungus. Soon, a dark fungus known as sooty mold begins growing on the honeydew.
Sooty mold does not directly attack the plant, but it blocks sunlight from reaching the leaves. As a result, photosynthesis becomes weaker and plant growth slows down. In severe infestations, aphids can also cause flower drop and fruit drop, reducing the final harvest. Now the next big question: where do aphids hide on peach trees? Many gardeners only look at the top side of leaves and assume the tree is clean, but aphids almost always hide in places where they are protected. Their favorite hiding spots include the underside of young leaves, inside curled leaves, around new shoot tips, near flower buds, on the soft stems of new growth. Sometimes ants can help you find aphids. If you see ants climbing up and down your peach tree repeatedly, there's a strong chance aphids are present. Ants love honeydew, the sweet liquid aphids produce. In fact, ants often protect aphids from predators in exchange for honeydew. So if you notice many ants on your tree, check the leaves carefully. You will probably find aphids hiding nearby. Now that we understand aphids, let's discuss natural sprays that can control them safely. One of the most effective natural sprays is liquid soap spray. Simple dish soap works by breaking down the protective outer layer of aphids. When sprayed directly on them, it causes dehydration and quickly kills them. To prepare this spray, mix 1 liter water, 1 teaspoon liquid dish soap. Mix gently and spray directly onto aphids. Make sure to spray the underside of leaves because that is where aphids hide. Apply this spray in the early morning or evening, not during strong sunlight, because soap can sometimes damage leaves under intense heat. Repeat the spray every 3 to 4 days until the aphids disappear.
Another powerful natural solution is neem oil. Neem oil comes from the seeds of the neem tree and has been used for centuries as a natural insect control. Neem oil works in multiple ways. First, it disrupts the feeding behavior of aphids. After contact with neem oil, aphids stop feeding. Second, it interferes with their reproduction cycle, preventing the population from growing. Third, it acts as a repellent, discouraging new aphids from settling on the tree. To prepare neem spray, 1 liter water, 3 to 5 milliliters neem oil, a few drops of liquid soap to help mixing. Shake the mixture well and spray it on affected areas. Like soap spray, neem oil should be applied in the morning or evening. Repeat every 7 days if necessary. Timing of spray is extremely important. The best time to control aphids is early, before leaves start curling. Once leaves curl tightly, sprays cannot easily reach the insects hiding inside. That is why regular inspection of your peach tree is very important.
Check new growth every few days during spring. If you catch aphids early, controlling them becomes very easy. Another natural method is strong water spray. Sometimes, simply spraying the tree with a strong jet of water can knock aphids off the leaves. Since aphids are weak insects, many of them cannot climb back onto the plant. This method works best during the early stage of infestation. Encouraging beneficial insects is also a powerful natural solution. Planting flowers near your orchard can attract predators like ladybugs and lacewings. These insects naturally hunt aphids and help keep their population under control. In healthy ecosystems, predators often manage aphids better than chemical pesticides. Good garden management also helps prevent aphid problems. Avoid excessive nitrogen fertilizers because they promote soft growth that aphids love. Prune overcrowded branches so air can circulate around the tree. Healthy airflow reduces pest problems and keeps the tree stronger. Also, remove heavily infested shoots if necessary. Sometimes cutting a few damaged shoots can stop the infestation from spreading. Finally, remember that aphids are a natural part of the ecosystem. Seeing a few aphids occasionally is normal. The goal is not to eliminate every single insect, but to keep the population below damaging levels. With regular observation, natural sprays, and healthy tree care, aphids can be controlled without harsh chemicals. And that brings us to the end of today's guide on aphids and peach trees. Now you know when aphids attack, why they come, where they hide, and how to stop them using simple natural sprays. If you apply these methods at the right time, your peach trees will stay healthier, stronger, and far more productive. And if you want more practical tips about growing healthier fruit trees, protecting crops naturally, and improving your harvest, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because many more useful guides are coming soon.